Hey guys, my name is Yareli and today I'm going to be talking about artificial intelligence. In the 4th century, Aristotle created the first deductive reasoning system. And in the 13th century, we have an Arabic inventor named Ai Jazari who created the first cubotic robot that was basically a boat designed to carry 4 mechanical musicians powered by water flow. And in the 15th century, the first mobile printing was created, and this is where the Gutenberg Bible was printed. And in the 15th through 16th century, clocks were the first modern measuring machines. In the 17th century, we have a very well-known inventor named Pascal who created the first mechanical digital calculating machine in 1642.
Artificial intelligence from the 18th to the 19th century. In the year 1726, a man by the name of Jonathan Swift does a publication called Gulliver's Travels, which depicts what might be the earliest known reference to a device in any way similar to modern computers. In the year 1818, Mary Shelley published the story of Frankenstein, or the modern Prometheus, which was an older consideration of the ethics of creating sentient life forms that can feel, perceive, or experience subjectively. In the year 1822 to the year 1859, Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace do their famous work on Babbage's proposed general-purpose computer called the analytical engine. Thanks to Ada Lovelace, this is where algorithms would come into play. And in the year 1863, a man by the name of Samuel Butler proposes that Darwinian evolution can also apply to machines, and speculates that they will one day become conscious and eventually surpass humanity.
Armando here. I'm going to be speaking about 1900 and 1960 artificial intelligence. In 1912, there was a chess player automaton created by Leonardo Torres. A big jump into the future, we're going to go ahead and skip to 1941 to Konrad Zuse and his first working program-controlled computers. In 1950, Alan Turing created his Alan Turing test to test the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or superior to that of a human. In 1950, Isaac Asimov created the 3 laws of robotics. And in 1959, John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky founded the MIT AI Lab.
In 1973, the Assembly of Robotics at Edinburgh University built Freddy, the Scottish robot. Mid-80s, neural networks become widely used with backpropagation algorithms. 1990s, major advances are being made in artificial intelligence such as virtual reality and machine learning. At MIT's AI Lab, there's a demonstration of an intelligent room and an emotional agent. In the early 2000s, a nomad robot explores regions of Antarctica looking for meteorite samples.
I'm here to tell you how in today's world we are completely surrounded by artificial intelligence. In fact, most people rely on AI almost every day. A perfect example of this would be things like your phone, or the way traffic is controlled in cities, or maybe you use an elevator. That's AI at work. AI has already introduced itself and made itself pretty noticeable in today's society. It's currently being used in life in the way we do things in hopes to complete simple tasks, giving us more time to do the things we love with the people we love. Now, as appealing as that sounds, there will always be the dark side of things, and for most people that's fear. Fear of the way AI might be used in the future, or if we do create an artificial intelligence with 100% consciousness and creativity and empathy, how would we manage to regulate?
Welcome
to Artificial Intelligence. Let's
Let's begin.